In this video, I will show you how to refer friends on OKX Wallet. So from your Home tab, go ahead and click on the icon at the top left. And from here, under Gift and Rewards, you can see Referrals, so click on this. And in here, you can see that you currently will earn €20 for each friend that you invite. And this action will end in 6 days. But I have to say that in 6 days, there will be a new campaign to refer. So then it will be a different amount that you can earn for each friend you invite. So this can be higher and this can be lower, but this is the way to access the referral campaign. So what you need to do to refer friends is you can click on the link down below, and you can also click on invite contacts, and then you will automatically be able to do this directly. But if you want the link, just click on link down below, and then this will be copied to your clipboard. And then you can use this link anywhere and send it to anyone you like. And if you click on how it works, you will see that they need to sign up using your referral link or code, that they need to complete the identity verification, and they need to make a trade worth of €100 or more. So if you haven't started yet with OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn free crypto up to $50. So if you want to start referring people, then this is a really nice way to get started on OKX Wallet. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.